children, today let's start with chapter number 9, the making of regional culture. Right, so in this chapter, we will study about the Chera empires, Cholas, Pandyas, so evolution of Malayalam, right? Now, in vast and diverse country like India, regional affiliation are quite common. The regional identities develop over a local culture and they are mixed with other parts. Right, so let's study about the Chera empires and the evolution of Malayalam. So language it is closely tied to a region. In 19th century, the Chera Empire it was established in the southwestern part of Kerala. कहाँ established हुआ? Southwestern part of Kerala में, and it played a crucial role in development of Malayalam language. और इसने एक important role play करा जिससे उन्होंने क्या करा? Malayalam language का introduction का development. It is used in inscription and official record throughout the subcontinent, and Chera also drew a inspiration from Sanskrit tradition. The Sanskrit epics थी वो किससे influenced थी? By the evolution of temple theatre in Kerala. And the early literary work in Malayalam owed much to Sanskrit, and in 14th century, significant text known as Lilati Kalam it emerged. And it dealt with grammar and poetry and took form of Mani Parvala, which literally means diamonds and corals, referring to two languages, Sanskrit and the regional language. Right? Next is Jagannath culture, regional tradition. During this period, noteworthy features was extended worship of deities like Vishnu, Shiva and Goddess who were visualized in different form across the various regions. One such example is the Jagannath form of Vishnu which is worshipped at Puri in Odisha. The deity is crafted from wood by local tigers and it is represented differently compared to other parts. In 12th century, Anantavarnam, an important ruler of the Ganga dynasty, build a temple of Lord Jagannath at Puri, जो एक क्या बना significant center of worship. Then in one what happened in 1230, अगर हम 1230 की बात करें, King Anandima III went a step further, dedicating his empire to Lord Jagannath and declaring himself, और वो अपने को क्या declare करता है? God's deputy. Over the time, the temple has gained prominence as a pilgrimage center. It influenced the extended into social and political matters. Then Rajputs, जो आपका राजस्थान वाला रीजन होता है उसको हम राजपूताना ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल कहा जाता था. ओनली राजपूत्स लिव हेयर बट नॉट एंटायरली ट्रू. और जो नॉर्दर्न एंड सेंट्रल इंडिया था वहाँ आपके राजपूत्स रहते थे एंड वी हैव अदर कम्युनिटीज ऑल्सो दैट लिव ओवर है. Right, we have some prominent Rajput ruler like Prithviraj Chauhan whose stories has been immortalized in poems and songs. Tales were filled with strong emotions, वहाँ पे एक loyalty, एक anger, एक friendship, सब कुछ दिखाया गया है. Next is story of Kathak beyond the region of empire. So हम कथक की बात करते हैं. Traditional dance है which has transcended region boundary, which is Kathak, and it comes from Sanskrit word Katha, which means story. So Kathaks are the storyteller in northern India. So right, they incorporated gesture, वो अपनी आई का मूवमेंट करते हैं, फुट वर्क करते हैं, राइट. एंड अंडर मुगल influence, Kathak evolved into distinct dance from with two prominent traditions. एक तो आपका लखनऊ का जो आप तो वाजिद अली खान जलास नवाब थे, जयपुर इन राजस्थान, राइट. Then we have miniature painting. So miniatures are the small paintings created using watercolors or cloth on paper. Most of these are the executive artwork which originated in Western India, right. यहाँ एक significant prominence हुआ in the design of Akbar, Jahangir and Shahjahan. इन्होंने क्या करा? जो हाई स्किल पेंटर्स थे, they employed to adorn their manuscripts with vibrant color depicting scenes like battles and hunting. As the Mughal Empire declined, जो support था miniature painting का, wanted pulling many artists to migrate to regionals. उन्होंने क्या करा? जो अपनी regional states के उसमें जाना, उनमें migrate करना start कर. The art of Deccan and Rajasthan region, while these regional paintings retained their distinctive styles and they were also influenced by Mughal art. नई थीम इमर्ज हुई जिससे आप देखेंगे जिसमें आपका हिंदू माइथोलॉजी है एंड किशनगर पेंटिंग है and emphasizes this fusion of Mughal regional style. By late 17th century, a fresh and daring style of miniature painting called Basoli emerged. Right? Next is in the Himalayan region, one of the most renowned work was Bhanu Datta Rasamgiri when Nadir Shah invaded Delhi in 1739. So what happened? Many Mughal artists sought refuge in the Himalaya foothills and they gave rise to the Kangra school of painting, which artists in the mid-century breathed new life into miniature painting. नाउ केस स्टडी ऑफ बंगाल, मतलब क्या हो रहा था यहाँ पे, ग्रोथ हो रही थी रीजनल लैंग्वेज की। बंगाली लैंग्वेज स्पोकन इन पीपल ऑफ बंगाल विच ट्रेसेस द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ एंशिएंट थिंग्स। यहाँ पे हिस्टोरिकल टेक्स्ट जो थे फर्स्ट मिलियन सेंचुरी बीसी में सजेस्ट दैट पीपल ऑफ बंगाल डिड नॉट ओरिजिनली स्पीक बंगाल। द लिंग्विस्टिक लैंडस्केप जो था बंगाल का अंडर वेंट सिग्निफिकेंट चेंजेस, जिसकी वजह से जो ट्रेड था वो स्टैब्लिश हुआ इन द अर्ली थर्ड सेंचुरी, राइट। इवन द चाइनीज ट्रैवलर हुआंग सांग एंड इन 17th सेंचुरी नोटेड कि यहाँ पे क्या होता, वाइड स्प्रेड यूज हो रहा था संस्कृत का। So 8th century saw Palas conquer Bengal, and between 14th and 16th century, independent Sultan ruled the region. When what happened, period saw development of Bengal as a regional language, और जो पर्शियन थी वो क्या बन रही थी, लैंग्वेज ऑफ एग्नेस्टेड। Now Bengali literature was categorized into two distinct groups. First category was rooted in translation of Sanskrit epics, Mangala, Kavyas, Bhakti literature जैसे आपके चैतन्य देवा और the literary creation flourished between 50 and mid 18th century. The second category of Bengali literature stands for independent of Sanskrit. वो क्या इनके पास करती है, नाथ literature and song of Manyamati and Gopi Chand, right, folk tale, ballads and more. The rouse of peace. During 16th century, large number of people migrated from West Bengal to southern east region of search of higher development. ये जो migrants थे वे primarily peasants थे, interacted with local fish hawkers, shifting cultivators and they were travelers. What happened amidst the general insecurity of new settlers? Leaders emerged as protector and teacher. Over time, these teachers came to be known as peace. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं, peace कहते हैं. Temple building, temple construction gained momentum in the 8th century, right? To demonstrate their power, to display their religious devotion, and to garner support their pop. Right? So, with the advent of British colonial rule and economic opportunity, presented new social group. देखो कॉली जो ऑयल प्रेसर्स होते हैं और कंसारी जो बेल मेटल के वर्कर होते हैं, they made temples to showcase their influence. फिर उन लोगों ने ये टेम्पल का उनकी एक्सटीरियर जो वॉल थी उनको एड ऑन करा विद terracotta work and ornamental tiles. नेक्स्ट इज फिश एज अ डाइटरी स्टेपल। डाइटरी प्रेफरेंस अगर हम बात करें तो लोकल अवेलेबल रिसोर्स में वो फिश था आपका, एंड कोस्टल रीजन बंगाल नेचुरली इनकॉर्पोरेट फिश इनटू देयर स्टेपल डाइट, राइट। एंड का जो वाइटल ऑक्यूपेशन है वो फिशिंग है, जो एज आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर भी आपको रेफरेंस में मिलेगी। एंड ब्राह्मण्स वर फॉरबिडन फ्रॉम कंज्यूमिंग नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड, एंड बंगाल देयर वाज एन एक्सेप्शन टू दिस। अकॉर्डिंग टू आप अगर हम बात करें ब्रदर Puran, 13th century text, Brahmins in Bengal were permitted to consume specific variety of, वहाँ आप एक specific variety of fish को क्या कर सकते हैं, consume कर सकते हैं, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.